Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, how to download FC26 on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, you'll need the EA app. So open your browser and head to the official EA website to download the EA app installer. Once the download is complete, open the installer, follow the on-screen instructions, and finish the setup. After installing the app, launch it and log in with your EA account. If you don't have one yet, you can easily create a free account directly in the app. Once you're logged in, use the search bar at the top and type in FC26. Then select the game from the search results. If you haven't purchased the game yet, you'll need to buy it before you can download it. After completing the purchase, click the download button, choose your preferred install location or keep the default one, and then click install. Now just wait for the download to finish, and that's it. You've successfully downloaded FC26 on your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in the next one.